Christmas time, bitches. Let's go. Yeah, it's the beginning of November and I'm still gonna put up my Christmas decorations on the Jeep. Let's get into it. I'm doing pink and green and I'm just gonna like twist them around. This is usually easier with someone else, but I'm gonna do it by myself today. So it's a big ball of garland.
I'm fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some.
Hello. I have pink string lights and multicolor lights. These ones have different settings and unfortunately these don't, but I'm just gonna go with it. Still gonna look fine. I'm gonna put both of them on. We're gonna wrap it the same way we did the garland. All the settings. As always, I'm going to zip tie the battery pack to inside of the fender, like underneath, so that no one can see it and I can press the button whenever I want. And I just use zip ties and literally a plastic baggie. I'm gonna wrap the second set of lights around coming the other way to try and like even out the pink lights. Tater, come here. Tater, come here. The sprinklers turned on, so I had to stop because my phone was getting wet and so was my dog. Perfect timing. Sprinklers finally turned off, so I'm gonna put the bows on. They're pink. These are not pink. They're black.
Stop. What do you mean by that?
That's it. Pretty simple. Got the bows, the lights, and the garland. I'll link everything in the description below if you want to do this to your Jeep too. I've got all this stuff to decorate the back of the Jeep today. And we're done. Just kidding. I can tell you how I did it. The first step is picking up this mess that I just made to do the intro. The second thing I'm gonna do is take the spare tire off. All by myself, because I can do anything, because I'm an independent woman who don't need no man to take this off. I swear. I know how to do it. Like this, right?
Let's do this. We'll put it here.
See? It works. Now, we're gonna take the spare tire off. Can you do it for me? I don't want to get my shirt dirty. I did it. We're gonna work at the front of the Jeep today. Ooh, scary. I'm gonna wrap the tire in sections. I have pink and I have green. As always, zip ties, Jeep's best friend. Putting it the different colors in every little spot is gonna make this end up in both greens. So we're gonna make smaller spots and do pink, green, pink, green, pink, green all the way around. Just, it'll look like a candy cane. Two, three, four, five. That's five. And it ends in the front. To all the haters that are gonna ask, what are you gonna do if you get a flat tire? Don't worry. It happened the other day. You know what I did? I took my scissors and I just cut it. It's okay. It happens to the best of us. It won't happen again. I hope. But it's fine. It's not that big of a deal. It took an extra 10 minutes for me to get the spare tire off. It was fine. if you notice, the video is looking a little better on the back half of this video. I don't know why I didn't think to ask my boyfriend for help, because he literally owns a production company, and that would have made the video much better the first time. One almost broken phone later. She's ready to go. Now I have to put the tire back on all by myself because I can do it by myself. Time for lights. Wouldn't that have been funny if they didn't work? I have pink lights and I have multicolored lights. Battery pack. Want to know a secret? For the lights, I don't wrap them all the way around, or that would take too long. I just zigzag them with baby zip ties.
2 hours later.
For the lights, put them through, you gotta take off part of the top, and it goes through the window to the wall. And you just have to be careful that the lights don't close like in the door. So I make sure that they're all wrapped up together in one spot, like so. I had some leftover lights, so we're putting it on the inside.